Okay, so here's a top 3 picks in my personal opinion on what to look out for when you're building a PC or whatever process you're in on going through that whole process with PC building. And starting with tip number 1 is to, when you're building a PC, be aware of the whole static electricity that can occur. So it's a general rule of thumb. So be sure to have a anti-static wristband. You could obviously put it on your ankle as well, but as long as you put it on some medical conductor, you will reduce the amount of static that comes your way. So be aware of that and be safe when you build your part. So, and have that on you at all times. And tip number 2 is to be aware of how much you're spending and your budget. And I say this to a lot of my friends all the time, and because some of them would overspend, some of them would underspend on certain parts. So I would say when it comes to this question, ask yourself this generalization question: what is your budget? And do not come to the point where you either overspend on certain parts or underspend on certain PC parts. And don't want to be that person that underspends on the power supply, for example. And the final tip is to install the important softwares, and one of them is the GPU softwares like GeForce Experience for NVIDIA users, or Radeon software. So just any generalization softwares out there, and they could be listed here. So, but yeah, so those are the generalization like 3 tips I have for you guys today. So, and hopefully that helps when you prepare yourself to build a PC. So thanks guys, and take care.